Hi, my name's Elliot Bennett. My mentor is Stephen Hilminski, and my 8th grade class project is motorizing a BMX bike. So the main concept of my project is to somehow motorize or enginize a BMX bike with a weed whacker engine. So I've mounted my weed whacker engine with 3 aluminum plates. One's in the back here, and there are 8 screws connected to the dropouts to hold it. I also have a hinge which allows me to move my engine off the bike's rear tire. So this is a friction-powered bike. So I have a rod that is steel, and I knurled it. Knurled means that it is with a coarse pattern, and this coarse pattern that goes around the whole surface moves counterclockwise from the engine. So when it moves counterclockwise, the bike tire moves clockwise. Therefore, it gives me power to move as a motorized bike. So this bungee cord is basically just to hold the engine in place because this moves. So when I have it on, the bungee cord keeps it on, because if I went over a bump, the engine could bounce up or something could happen. So also, if I leave it up, then it becomes like a regular bicycle, and I have nothing powering it but just pedaling. So, connected to my weed whacker engine, I have a kill switch, and the kill switch is these 2 wires, and it goes all the way along to this button. Now when I press this button, it cuts the power to my engine, which stalls the motor, and it cuts the power. Then I also have this black wire, which goes right here, and it's connected to this. It is the throttle. The throttle controls the speed of which this turns. So when this turns faster, the bike will go faster, and it spins the rod faster, which spins the tire faster, which is the friction. So one of the main parts was figuring out how to actually connect the engine to this plate, because I had to have it in a way that it would work with the bike. So I actually drilled right through into the engine and mounted it with screws and a few washers. So I was really happy to do this project, and I learned a lot from it. One thing I am looking forward to is tonight's performance, because after tonight, I can ride my bike freely without worrying, is it gonna break or if anything's gonna happen. So I'll be able to ride it. I wanna thank my parents for helping me with this project, and especially to my mentor, who lives in New Hampshire and wasn't able to make it. He also has bronchitis right now, so he really wishes he could be here, but he isn't, so thank you.